In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix black screen on the video capture device on OBS. First things first, you want to create your scene here on OBS. So just click on the plus icon, click on OK, and from there, we then have our new scene. Click on the plus icon once more on the sources page. Basically, this is where we get our sources from. And in this video, we are going to talk about the video capture device. So just simply click on it. Name your device to whatever you want to, click on OK, and then you have to follow the following settings right here. First things first, select your video player or your video output. In my case, I have my action camera plugged onto my device right here. As you can see, it works perfectly. And you simply want to scroll down and then click on the custom option. The first thing that you want to do is to now edit out the resolution and more. As you can see, if I don't have the correct setting, it will then turn into a black screen. So you can just edit this until you get the right setting. First things first, you want to enter the resolution into 1080p or more if your computer can handle it. In the FPS option, just put 30, the video format, any, and then just click on the OK button. This will simply fix the problem. You also want to make sure that your device is plugged properly onto your computer. So in my case, if you're using a weaker cable or a cable that doesn't support video output, it will then result onto the black screen. So you want to make sure that you're using the proper cable or the proper plugs on your device and on the camera itself. Now, what we can also try to do is to update our Windows. So just head over to the settings of Windows. In here, click the update and security, and then you want to update Windows to the latest version. Another thing that we can do is to simply navigate through the device manager, right click on Windows logo, click device manager, and in here you then want to make sure that all of your drivers is updated. So if you've plugged your camera into something like the universal serial bus controller, just right click on it and make sure that every driver is updated to the latest version. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.